Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch wave pool in GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore. The wave pool at GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore offers visitors an exhilarating experience, simulating the sensation of ocean waves in a controlled environment. This family friendly attraction generates waves that rise and fall, allowing guests to enjoy the thrill of the sea without leaving the park. The pool is designed to accommodate swimmers of all ages, providing a safe and enjoyable setting for everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching wave pool in GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.